Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the parent chain ring. The compound is a cyclohexane ring bearing 3 substituents, an aldehyde group, CHO, a bromine atom, Br, and a methyl group, CH3. When an aldehyde is directly attached to a ring, the ring carbon bearing the CHO is the principal characteristic group, and the compound is named as a cyclohexane carbaldehyde. The parent name is therefore cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Step 2. Number the ring. The carbon bearing the CHO group is automatically C1, the point of attachment for the principal characteristic group suffix carbaldehyde. Numbering proceeds around the ring to give the substituents the lowest possible locants. Step 3. Assign locants to substituents going in one direction. From C1, Br is on the adjacent carbon, C2, and methyl is to carbons away, C3. Going in the other direction, methyl is on the adjacent carbon, C2, and Br is to carbons away, C3. Applying the lowest set of locants rule, the set 2, 3 is the same in both directions, so we apply the rule of first point of difference alphabetically. B, bromo, comes before M, methyl, so Br should receive the lower locant. Assign C2 is equal to Br and C6 is equal to methyl. Going the other way around, the ring from C1 methyl is at position 6. Step 4. Alphabetical ordering of substituents. In the name, substituents are listed alphabetically, bromo, B, before methyl, M. Step 5. Compile the name to bromo, 6-methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Therefore, the correct answer is 2-bromo, 6-methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. The correct answer is shown on screen.